All right, today is the last day at SIR, which is our drag strip here in Saskatoon. I have a buddy out here, Paul. He's going to be doing some racing today. We're going to get some footage of it. It's nice cars. There's a Cutlass right there.
I'd like to thank all the out-of-town racers for making the trip to SIR. We appreciate it. So just
Ready for some racing today?
Yeah, I've got the front line. Beside a motorcycle, he was actually first.
Yeah. You're second tacked in today.
Yeah.
Alright, so I tried getting some footage here, but what happened was the ET times, so the boards and the timing system kind of messed up and stopped racing for a bit, and then they're doing arm drop for a little bit, and Paul was still in the lines, or in the lanes with my GoPro, so I wasn't able to get any footage of anything. And also my GoPro died right before his run. There's no time, so it wasn't really a big issue anyway. But let's go see if we can look at some cool cars here and get some footage. Another one that they have here. Naturally aspirated, right? Yeah. Are those the Potenza tires?
Oh, dito.
Neat. Okay.
On the back is Bridgestone.
Okay.
Sticky.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, kasi.
Look at that firefly. I like the car. Look at this Honda. You see the silver car? Baby burnout. You like it? You're not scared of that, but he's scared of stereo. What's all in this one anyway?
6-liter LS, 75 turbo, 100-pound injectors, all terminator, pretty good.
Decent.
Same with mine.
So hopefully it stays together.
So what do you want to run?
Well, with the old engine, it was a LS1 with just a cam and headers, around 1141 before. This what has 100 or so more horsepower.
Oh, I
It
guess-
should do about 10.5, but maybe later on today if I get everything sorted. Yeah.
That'd be nice to see.
No, that was just my first run.
So 6.0 big turbo. I like FCs. These are my favorite body style of RX-7s. Speedy tires. Believe it or not, I actually traded an RX-7 for the convertible and the blue car. Going to do a full pass here soon? Or are you just doing more testing? What was it, 60 foot?
176.
It's not too bad. Can't watch all the gauges at once.
Too much shit going on.
Yeah.
The belt tries to come off.
That's an LS thing. Well, I hope you get what you want to get out of it.
Well, this is the first time at the track, so I don't know.
Hey,
It is what it is.
it's exciting, right? First time ever having something out you've been working on for so long.
Oh yeah, this is. Well, I've been at the track what 3 years ago?
Yeah, it was 3 years.
3 or 4 years ago. So
This thing's been on Jack.
a little jitters right now.
Every time, man, it just gets you, right? The
Yeah, I know,
adrenaline
I'll
rush.
eventually do a full pass today. I just don't. I want to try to work some shit out, get the 60 foot down and all that stuff. So.
Well, I'm excited for you.
Yeah, well, I'm excited for me too.
Anyway, I'll let you go. I'm going to walk around a little bit.
Yeah, you gonna
Take
post
care.
that online on your.
Oh yeah, I'm going to add it to the video. Thank you for letting me film your vehicle.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Have a good one. So they didn't call it yet, but it's still raining, as you can see on the window. But they said hang tight because they might try to clear up the track here and get it going again. Maybe we can get some more footage of some vehicles.
So once again, thanks from the estuary and the staff of SIR for coming out. I guess we're going to be shooting for 2021. Check out our website occasionally and see what's happening. Got our AGM coming up in a couple weeks. As I see a few more raindrops coming down, so I don't think we can fight this one. Just enough to kill the deal. Thanks all you fans for supporting SIR. Hope you had a good time out here. But you can't fight that crazy weather.
There you have it. It's calling for a rain out.
Everybody from out of town, have a safe trip home.
Said it, couldn't say it better myself. All right, well, we're gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I know it's a little bit shorter, didn't get too much footage today, but sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. That's the way it goes.